Yo, what's good everybody, Chelsky, the Reaper here. So, I'm coming to unbox a PlayStation 5 controller. Now, I've been having this thing for about a week now, maybe two. And, I just really haven't had the energy to do an unboxing of it yet, so here we are. Now, the package is already open because my grandmother, she also orders stuff online, so she didn't know if it was my package or one of hers, so it's neither here nor there. However, she did not open the controller, so we're good there. But, yeah. And, I think you guys are gonna like this. I don't know if I posted about this yet, but, yeah. Look at that. God of War. Ragnarok. Limited edition controller from Sony. Now, the people I ordered this from said it was new, so we shall see. And, all I can say is, I'm excited, but I'm also nervous at the same time. Alright? Because this motherfucking thing was hard to find. See if I can get in here without cutting myself. Let's see. Alright. Yeah, that didn't work. Alright. I can get some, tape to fix that, yeah. Alright. There we go. Holy shit. Look at this. It's in Japanese, I think. I think it's Japanese. Let's see. There we go. Let's set this over here. Okay. Now there's a controller in it, and it is a PlayStation 5 controller, and it's sealed, so, well, it was sealed. That is fucking amazing. I like that. Oh man, look at that. Ragnarok. And it says it's the same thing on the back. God of War Ragnarok. Or it says it on the back. But yeah. I love this. Yeah. And I also like the fact that the PlayStation power button is literally white. This is just an amazing looking controller. Yeah. I love it. I waited a while for this to come in, and I know I should have done a video when it came in, but like I said, I just couldn't get myself to do the video because I wasn't really feeling good. But here it is now, so yeah, but that is nice. I like that. And this is a really hard controller to legit. It's fucking hard to track down, especially at a reasonable price. So I really can't beat it. And you know, I know a lot of you are like, why the fuck would you do that? I looked on eBay for this, alright? And this is what I came across. Price was it eBay that I got this from? Fuck, I can't even remember. But, either way, I took a gamble, and I got it. I'm happy, and, yeah. But this thing, how do I feel about the same? Let me try this one. Let's see. Here's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, they feel about the same. We'll go ahead and throw this one on the charger. Set this over here. And get it to charge. Okay, so there is a battery in it. It's charging. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like down below. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be alerted when I upload new videos. I'm your host, Louisiana Reaper, aka Cajun Reaper. If you... fuck. I am tired. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace.